Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can switch to walking mode in Google Maps app. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you. And open up the Google Maps app on your phones to begin with. And now, in order for you to switch to walking mode, you first need to, of course, plot a route to somewhere. And to do that, use the search bar. Then enter a name into it, or you can choose some of the routes that you already have here in advance. Now you can see the distance, and you can see which routes you can take to get to your particular destination. And at the top, under your local destination, you'll see sections like this. How you can get to your destination by car, for example. It always shows the route by car first. Also in the sections is the route by bus, for example. Also on foot, by airplane or by train, or the subway, depending on what kind of terrain you're in and what kind of transportation you have. There will be different kinds of transportation. But you'll have to choose the sign for this little man here. And then you'll see that your route will look like this. It's not going to be a straight line like it was with the car. It's going to be a point. This means that you have already definitely switched to walking mode. And once you've seen how long, for example, it takes you to get to a certain place, just press Start at the bottom. And that's how you start moving around. This is the way, friends, you can very easily find and switch to walking mode in Google Maps. I really hope this video has been useful and helpful for you. Please friends, put your likes, subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to write your comments. See you later.